If your GMC Acadia suddenly won't start, don't panic, as it is often a simple electrical issue we can solve together. Statistically, 70% of these no-start conditions are caused by basic electrical faults rather than mechanical failures. Let us walk through the diagnostic process to identify exactly what is stopping your SUV from turning over. Start by checking your battery voltage, ensuring your terminals are tight, and watching for the security light on your dash. Corroded battery cables are notorious on these models, while a single click often points directly to a failing starter solenoid. Do not overlook a bad ground strap or a neutral safety switch, which you can test by simply trying to start in neutral. Cleaning posts and checking fuses are easy DIY wins, but internal engine issues definitely require a professional technician. Here is what you can expect to pay for common parts, with batteries being the most frequent and affordable replacement. For advanced troubleshooting, pull any stored OBDI codes and perform a voltage drop test to isolate resistance in your wiring. Keep a multimeter, a wire brush, and a basic socket set in your trunk to handle these electrical gremlins on the fly. Remember, always disconnect your negative battery terminal before touching the starter to keep yourself and your electronics safe. Check those connections first and you will likely be back on the road in no time. Thanks for watching.